Tricia, this whole thing about bulbs is kind of mysterious to me. I mean, some you have to refrigerate, others you have to plant months in advance. That's kind of tricky.
Well, it's not really as tricky as you think. There are a few steps involved. And you're right, some bulbs you do have to refrigerate. And you look at the packet or talk to your nurseryman about which ones that involves. Now, something else that bulbs need is they really need to be healthy when they go in. So when it comes time to plant, you want to take them out of the refrigerator if that's the kind of bulb it is. And I actually have a little bath for them.
Okay, all right.
Now let me show you what it is. I've taken 2 gallons of warm water, okay, and then 2 teaspoons of just a baby shampoo, which is very, very mild.
Okay.
And then 1 teaspoon of an antiseptic mouthwash.
Now that seems like that would be detrimental to the growth of the bulb.
Well, actually, you know, it's killing bacteria in our mouths, and the same thing with the bulbs. It helps with the bacteria.
Okay.
And then just a 1/4 teaspoon of instant tea.
I see.
Maybe that's to wake them up a little bit.
Everybody needs that caffeine.
But this mixture helps to bathe the bulbs. We're just going to put them in here. And what it does is it coats them with just a protective coating.
And you do this just before you're ready to plant?
Just before you're planting, just a really nice bath. And then after that, you can stick them in bed.